Okay, so we should be all good. So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining our virtual open house for the Leadership Accelerator Program. We're happy that you are here. My name is Maddie McEwen, and I'm the Program Associate for the University at Buffalo School of Management, Center for Leadership and Organizational Effectiveness. 4 members of our staff listed on the screen support the Leadership Accelerator Program. Please use this slide to reach out anytime you have questions, concerns, or would like to learn more about our certificate programs. So just to review the agenda for today, we're going to go over the overview of our Leadership Center. We'll talk briefly about the program and the benefits that come along with being part of the Leadership Accelerator Program. I'll review the application process, the course fee, and how you can stay connected with us. And if you have any questions throughout, feel free to put them in the chat or come off mute, and we're happy to answer them. So just to give an overview, so the Center for Leadership and Organizational Effectiveness is housed within the University at Buffalo School of Management. It is a center that produces thought leadership in organizational leadership and innovation. We utilize our world-class faculty and practitioners to produce innovative research based on our academic and organization partnerships locally and abroad. We use this research to then translate it into leadership development coursework for our students, managers, executives, and alumni. And we have a domestic and a global reach, and all of our partnerships are mutually beneficial, and we try to focus it on, solution-focused partnerships. And then our Leadership Accelerator Program is a 6-session professional development program with the aim to increase the performance and impact of its leaders. So the main structure of this program consists of 6 3-hour workshops, and those are alternating with 6 1-hour coaching sessions. It is a certificate program. You will be meeting one-on-one with a leadership coach in between the workshop sessions that we offer. In addition, you will, with your leadership coach, they will help you design a personal leadership development plan. We utilize leadership assessments to build your self-awareness. Those assessments are taken prior to the start of the program, and they include the Clifton Strengths Assessment, the DISC Workplace Profile, and 360 Professional Feedback. One of the projects that you will be producing as part of this program is an action learning project, and this enables you to put what you've learned into action immediately as you are in the program and immediately following your completion of the program. We ask that you involve a company sponsor, like a supervisor in your company or organization, and they will help you tailor what you've learned and apply it to your position within the company. And we offer different leadership development activities and skill building exercises within those workshops. And we do that using the latest research in leadership. And the program itself runs for 3 months. Now I would like to review the program dates. Both program dates for the in-person session and the online version of Leadership Accelerator Program can be found on our website at management.buffalo.edu/Chloe we offer sessions during the fall and spring semesters. To kind of go over some of the curriculum. So some of our workshop topics generally include effective interpersonal and workplace communication, understanding yourself and your leadership style, why innovation fails and how to fix it, servant leadership and transforming workplace drama. We also have a session on decision-making and recognizing creative opportunity in teams. And then also we have a session on coaching and mentoring. Feel free to take a screenshot of this to read more of the details on those topics. Some of the benefits of this program. So it is a certificate non-credit program. You receive a micro-credential at the end and completion of the program. So one, it is convenient. We offer 2 different cohorts to accommodate your needs, whether that be in person or online, the in-person one is during the workday, whereas the online version is in the evenings. It is cost effective, so you are able to upskill at an affordable rate compared to similarly ranked business school leadership development programs. It is also succinct and impactful. This program caters to all fields and industries. And what we really see with this program is participants can take what they've learned in the class and directly apply it to their work the next day. And you can complete this in just 3 months. It also is personalized. So with your leadership coach, they will help you develop a personalized leadership development plan to apply what you're learning in class directly to your role, your current role. It is development oriented, so we really encourage our participants to improve on their self-awareness and develop a plan for continued growth that impacts both your company and the community. And it is also collaborative, so you are able to build a network of leaders from different industries who have similar goals in a collaborative peer environment. The workshops are very interactive. There are some lecture portions, but there are always breakouts to really apply what you're learning. We will be giving our participants access to UB Brightspace. Once you're enrolled, you will be able to use this as a portal to review the class schedule, upload any required documentation. We can also share program materials through this website, and it will be our main point for course announcements. And then the application. So we do, in terms of program requirements, we do offer this program to mid to senior level managers and executives. Typically, this program is best for people with 5 to 15 years of professional work experience, and we require that you fill out an application to be admitted into this program. And that application I can share as a follow-up email once we are finished here. And we admit people into both the in-person cohort and online cohort in the fall and spring semesters. And once you are enrolled, as I mentioned previously, there are a few things that we require you to do. So we require you to take 2 assessments. They should not take longer than 30 minutes each or so. The Clifton Strengths Top 5 and the DISC Workplace Profile. We ask that you complete a learner profile. This will just give us some background information on who you are as a professional, and we share that with your leadership coach so you can start building that relationship with them. we will ask that you submit personal professional feedback. And through our 360 professional feedback assessment, we will ask that 3 to 5 of your colleagues complete an assessment about how you are as a professional, and your coach will be using that to further develop your goals and help you make any improvements or reach those goals. And then there's also a photo release form that we asked you to fill out, just so we are mindful of people's preferences. And the deadline to submit an application for the fall cohort for both in-person and online is going to be Friday, September 6th. And we will be promoting that on our website soon. Now I would like to review the program fee. It can be paid via UB Marketplace. We accept credit card, debit card, e-check, and ACH. If your company is paying, we can provide them with an invoice. Payment is due prior to the start of the program. And we have discounted seats available to our executive MBA alumni and University at Buffalo employees and faculty.